Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my April Boxycharm unboxing. There's one thing I know in here that I'm really excited for. So if you guys want to find out what that is and what else is in my box for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so if you guys aren't already familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 monthly subscription box. You get all full-size products, all like high-end products. It's always more than like $100 value. And I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. I will link that in my description box if you want to start signing up for Boxycharm. You can definitely do that because I've gotten a lot of my favorite products that I've been using like regularly through Boxycharm. Alright, so getting into the box, the first thing that I want to talk about is what I knew was going to be in here, and I didn't know which one was going to be in here. So this is a ColourPop palette. And I saw a spoiler that there was going to be like 5 different ColourPop palettes available for Boxycharm for this month. So I didn't know which one I was going to get. And this is the Element of Surprise. I don't even know what this one looks like. Okay, so this is, okay, so it's like a purpley palette. I like that. This shade right here, I really, really like. It kind of looks like that shade from the Huda Beauty palette. Let me swatch it. Yes, I like it. That pink shade next to it, like that fuchsia, not even fuchsia, like hot pink. Oh, those look really pretty. Yes, I'm so excited. These swatch so nicely. I'm living for this palette. I'm so excited. I'm wearing a ColourPop palette today. I'm wearing the Give It To Me Straight palette from my everyday makeup drawer. Love ColourPop. I need to get these swatches off my hand, but I love ColourPop shadows. This is like my favorite affordable brand. I don't have this palette, so I'm super excited to play with it. I always do a Boxycharm tutorial. I didn't do one last month. I did film it. I didn't like how it turned out, so I didn't put it up, but I will definitely do one this month because I'm so excited to film with that palette. I just love ColourPop so much. All right, so that is a $16 palette. And then the next product, this is from Dr. Brandt. Okay, so this is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. This is a pore purifying mask. So I have not tried any of their masks. I've been wanting to try the Dr. Brandt, that magnetic mask that was like really big like a year ago. I love the Pores No More primer. I got it in a Boxycharm like 3-4 months ago. I use that all the time. And then I also really like all of their face scrubs. I've used those up. I've gotten that in a Boxycharm before too, their microdermabrasion scrub. So I'm excited to try this out. I wonder if it's kind of like a charcoal mask. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So this is like a white mask and there's like little beads in here. So let's see. You do leave it on, but I was thinking it was gonna be like a charcoal mask. So I definitely want to try out this mask like today because I was definitely expecting it to be a charcoal mask, and I'm not sure what this mask is gonna do because it seems more of like a hydrating mask. So let's see, and then I'll let you guys know in that Instagram tutorial that I definitely will do this month. I plan on filming that this week. And then that face mask is $47, so it's already a little bit more than double the price of the box. And then next I have a product from the Brow Gal, and we've gotten products from this brand before. This is a brow gel. This is a brow gel with microfibers, so basically like the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I just ran out of like all of my brow gels. All of my brow gels that I really like are like the Gimme Brow or the L'Oreal Stylist Plumper, anything that does have those fibers in it, just to add a little bit more texture to your brows because I do have very like sparse brows naturally, so that just adds a little bit more of a realistic look when I do my brows. Let's see what shade this is. This might be kind of light. Ooh, yeah, that is super light. Let me actually apply a little bit right now because I did not wear any brow gel today because I like just ran out of it this week. So I'm a little, yeah, that is gonna be very, very light. This shade is, I think, number 3. Yeah, light hair. So I think this is definitely a little bit too light for me, but for like a brow highlighter, just applying a little bit, I think I could definitely use it and get away with it. And if I end up really, really liking it, then I will repurchase it in a darker shade so I could use it more like generously. And then that is $22. And then the next thing in here is from Tarte. This is, oh, liquid highlighters. This is in the shade Stunner. I believe the shade Stunner from the Pro Glow Kit from Tarte is like one of the shades that I use the most, where I have like a serious dent in that highlighter. So I think I'm gonna like this shade because it's more of like a bronzy tone, I think. So that looks super, super pretty. I really like this like bronzy rose gold tone. And I also like that it doesn't look glittery. And this is something I might use to mix into my foundation because I'm not super big on liquid highlighter. I get them or I use them and then I just kind of give up on them because it's so much easier for me to apply powder highlighter. So that highlighter was $29, which is really, really pricey for a little liquid highlighter. That is a lot of money for like something that's just like almost looks like a sample size product, but I guess it's full size and it's $29. And then lastly, we have a liquid lipstick. This brand is called Ades. I feel like I've heard of them before, but I don't think I've tried any of their products. This is what it looks like. It's the high definition liquid lipstick. All right, so let's see what shade this is. Okay, it is a nude. I was hoping for a nude. I was expecting like a burgundy shade because that's what's in this picture that I got in my Boxycharm, but it's more of like a brownish nude color. Definitely a shade I would wear all the time. Yes, totally a shade I would wear all the time. And it kind of feels like it's not gonna dry matte. It feels like a high shine kind of lip gloss situation. I don't know where I was going with that, but it seems more of like a really pigmented lip gloss or just something that's not a matte liquid lipstick basically. So that is $24. That is definitely a color I would wear, and especially for it being more of a like high shine formula. It doesn't seem like it's gonna dry down at all. I'm definitely glad that it's a nude and not something a lot more bold, because when it comes to bold lips, it has to be matte. Otherwise, it's just going to get like all over my face, all over my teeth. So I'm glad that I got a nude for the liquid lipstick. And then that is everything for my Boxycharm. I'm going to calculate everything and let you guys know the price of everything in my box this month. All right, so the total value of my box this month is $138. So it's definitely a pricier box this month. I think this was a pretty good box. There's nothing that I'm not going to use. Probably out of everything, I barely ever use liquid highlighters. At least it's a shade that is more flattering on my complexion for me. But I think everything else I would wear a little bit more. And I wish that I got the brow gel in my shade. I don't know how they would do that, but I think I could still make it work for sure. But the liquid lipstick I would definitely wear. The face mask for sure I'm gonna wear. I've been super into face masks lately. Like I've been doing face masks like every other day recently. And I'm definitely happy with the ColourPop palette that I got. I definitely want to do a look with this purple shade right here. I think it's so pretty and I love all the tones in here. I'm definitely going to use this palette a lot. I know that there was some other palettes, so if you guys got your Boxycharms already, let me know which ColourPop palette you ended up getting, because I think I would have been happy with any of them, but this is a palette that has like all the shades that I normally wear anyways. So that is everything for my Boxycharm for this month. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm, if you got anything different, in the comments down below. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, my affiliate link will be in my description box. Otherwise, you can just go to the Boxycharm website and sign up there. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.